Good day to you, my trading friends. It's Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. It's January 11th, 2021, and your trade is in for today. It's not a cherry bomb trade. It's of my own creation. I haven't been getting any of those emails or comments about underlyings you'd like to see traded, so I'm just going to come up with some of my own. Today, we're looking at Snap, right? Snapchat. It has a highly liquid 4 out of 4 rank. It has an IV rank of 40, so we're going to look to sell some premium. We're going to give an Iron Condor a try today. And I just realized that my video of me is covering up the R in Iron Condor, but I think you probably know what we're looking at. So, we'll see how you feel about today's trade. I was actually looking at Baidu and Baba today because they showed up in high IV ranks. But when I tried to build out a trade that had the probabilities I'd like, you couldn't get the 1/3 the width. It just wasn't getting the premium, and I'm not looking to be undefined risk in them. So let's go on and try to come up with a trade in Snap and see what you think of this one. So let's hop in and get started. But of course, I'm going to introduce myself really briefly. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory, and I want to thank you so much for joining us. If you can even see me down in the corner, I'm a little sweaty. I actually worked out today. Maybe a New Year's thing, huh? Anybody else starting a new workout routine? All right. So on screen, you can see our current positions here. We build out these positions using emails from Tasty Trade that come to us 5 days a week. If you look in the description down below, you'll find a link to go sign up with them. It is a bit.ly link, but that's only because I'd like to know if it every once in a while gets clicked by my viewers. So with that, stick around to the end. I want to offer you a thumbs up if you make it to the end of my video, because it does help me if you watch this to the end. I will try to be as brief and to the point as I can be today. All right, so let's take a quick look at the charts. We're looking at Snap here. So we definitely had a big gap up here at what looks like it was an earnings, right? And we have earnings coming up in this one. So you could call this an earnings trade in Snapchat as well. It's on February 2nd on this one. And based on what I'm seeing, I think that the Iron Condor, if you look at is going to be our best bet. We got some sideways action here. Yep, there's a probability that this isn't going to work out. That's okay. And as we know, this is simulated trading. So you can get all your learning without all the real risk and see, hey, am I able to put on Iron Condors? Do they work out for me? Can I manage them to at least reduce the loss or maybe even make it a winner? All right. So here we go. We're going to go to Analyze. We're going to go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the February monthly weeklies. We have plenty of open interest. And what we're looking at, if we just want to build out the strangle first, you'd be selling the 40 put and selling the 60 call on this one, right? But then because we're doing an Iron Condor, because I'm looking to define my risk, we'll also buy the 35 put and buy the 65 call. So here are the strikes. I'm going to pull them up here for you. We're going to be short the 60 call, long the 65 call. We're going to be short the 45 put and long the 40. I think that's what I've got right here. I might have said that wrong when I built it, but this is what I have. This is what I meant to say. All right. With that, I just want to quickly pull up Tasty Words because that's where I've built it also here. Yeah, short the 45 and long the 40. Okay, good. All right. So the reason I do the Tasty Works as well, because I want to know my P50. They're saying that we have a 63% chance of being able to take half the credit of this trade off in the next 39 days. So let's head over to that phase where we go to risk profile. And if you're noticing my colors are a little different, I wanted to do the light theme, but it is hard on the eyes. The reason I wanted to do the light theme is because I haven't gotten the light yet. My face is really dark right now. So anyway, I changed it up to old school ThinkOrSwim theme. What do you think? Old school better? All right, so let's go to the risk profile. Make sure your date up here is set to February 20th because that's our expiration. You do so by clicking the calendar and choosing February 20th. Then I set my expected move here. So it's pretty much most of the screen. And I've got my price slices set to break even where this turquoise line crosses the x-axis. You can do that by clicking this menu icon here, choosing set slices, going to break even, and choosing the expiration date. So we're looking at a 51% probability of ending up between these goalposts, if you think of it like football, right? American football. And then, yeah, so we could blow through one side or the other. You can't, blow through both sides. And so while the probability of profit, according to Tastyworks, is 55, we're seeing a 51 here in ThinkOrSwim, but there's also a 63% chance that we will take not $200 off if it ends up in between, in a sweet spot right here, from here to here, our short strikes, right? In this case, we would collect $200, well, $199, but we're looking to take off, $100. There's a 63% chance of us being able to do that. So that is our trade for today. I'm going to right click this, go to confirm and send. If you would take a look with me, that's our max profit. Our max loss is 301. So that's better than a 1/3 the width. We'll take it, sell some premium. I want to put this in my margin account. And I could put it in the IRA if I wanted to, because it's not a cherry bomb trade, but that's all right. I'm going to hit send. That puts it in my working orders. And we'll see what happens with that one, right? Okay, everybody, if you've made it this far into my videos, here's your thumbs up. I do appreciate you. And if you've already subscribed and you think I've earned it, would you hit that like button? If you haven't yet subscribed, instead of hitting that like button, would you consider subscribing? I do appreciate every subscription, every view, and every thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's cherry bomb trade. All right, until then, good luck and happy trading.